Yes, good morning. Today we are starting with the new topic on trigonometrical function, that is value of trigonometrical functions in multiple and submultiple angles. Means we will be having angle only one, and that will be two times or three times. Then what the formula will come, we should find out. So we come on our basic formula and then we'll try to create the results. We have done the formula sine A plus B. That come out to be sine A cos B plus cos A sin B. This is the formula we have already done. Let me start A is equal to B. When we have A is equal to B, in that case it will come out to be sin A plus A. And here it has come out to be sine of A into cos of A plus cos of A into sine of sin A cos A plus cos A sin A, and when you solve it, it will come out to be 2 sin A cos A. This is the formula of sin 2A we got. So you should remember this formula now. Sin 2A will be 2 sin A cos A. This formula can change in another result. What that is? 2 sin A cos of A by 1 will write. Then we'll write this as 2 sin A cos A by 1 can be written as sine square A plus cos square A. 2 sine A cos A is here. 1 will write sine square A plus cos square A. So 2 sine A cos A by sine square A plus cos square A. We want this result to convert in 10. So when you want this to convert in 10, we should divide every result by cos square A. So I write down sine A cos A by cos square A. This will come out to be sine square A by cos square A plus cos square A by cos square. And now when you solve it, what this result comes out to be, 1 cos get cancel out. This will be tan square A, this will be 1. So formula comes out to be 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. So first formula which we got now is of sine 2A, and that sine 2A formula is, it is 2 sine A cos A, or you will write this as 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. This is the formula we have for sine 2A. Then we come on the next result, cos A plus B formula, and then we'll try to solve it again. Cos of A plus B. Formula we have already done, that is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A plus B formula is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Again we will take A is equal to B in this case. When you do this, it will come out to be cos of 2A. Then this will be cos A and cos A. And then come out to be sin A and sin A. Now when you solve it, it will come out to be cos square A minus sin square A will be cos 2A formula. And cos 2A, if I want to write, now this is the first formula we have created. One formula we can create complete in cos. So when we want complete in cos, what I should say, cos square A, this will be 1 minus cos square A. Or when you solve it, it will come 2 cos square A minus 1. This is formula number 2. And same way when you go for sine, that will be 1 minus sine square A minus sine square A. Result come out to be 1 minus 2 sine square A. This is the result number 3. So we got 3 results of cos 2A now. What that formula of cos 2A? Cos 2A we got as cos square A minus sine square A. Then come out to be 2 cos square A minus 1. Or I should say 1 minus 2 sine square A. One more result we can create here. What that is? Cos square A minus sin square A, if it is divided by 1 can be written as cos square A plus sin square A. And when you have this, again we'll divide numerator and denominator by cos square A. So it will come 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. So that means this formula will be 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. This is the formula we have for cos 2A. Cos 2A will have so many results. Cos square A minus sin square A. It will have formula 2 cos square A minus 1. You will have 1 minus 2 sin square A. You have 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. Another result now, that is tan 2A. So we go for tan A plus B formula. When you go for tan A plus B formula, formula says tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Now when you have A is equal to B in this case, when you have A is equal to B, what it will come out to be? This will be tan of 2A. This come out to be tan of A plus tan of A by 1 minus tan of A into tan of A. Now when you solve it, it will come out to be 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. So this have only one formula. Tan 2A will have the formula 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. So sin 2A we have formula 2 sin A cos A, or 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Cos 2A formula is cos square A minus sin square A, or it will be 2 cos square A minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sin square A, or 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. Just check here. When this angle is 2, it will be half of it. By the way, if someone says sin 4A, then this formula will change to 2 sin 2A cos 2. So keep in mind, whatever angle, we'll make the half of it. Here if it is 2A, it will be A and A. If it is 60, it will be 30 and 30. If it is 50, it will be 25 and 25. So that way it will go. So tan A plus B formula is 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. Now the problem which you will have will be cos has so many results, so it is difficult to remember them. So I'll tell you first, when we are starting the question, you should remember some particular result, and on that we'll do the question. Most of the question will be done by only those results. Few questions will come in that we will be using the remaining part. Now the result which you should remember now, first result you should remember, that is sin 2A is 2 sin A cos A. This is the formula number 1 we should remember, very important here. These formula cos 2A. Now cos 2A we will convert in different form and we'll try to remember that. What it is, just check. Cos 2A will be 2 cos square A minus 1, we know. Or I should say 1 plus cos 2A comes out to be 2 cos square A. So that means 1 plus cos 2A, when you take, it will come out to be 2 cos square A. This is the formula we should remember. That in place of cos 2A, this formula we should remember better is 1 plus cos 2A is 2 cos square A. Same way we have done this formula also. Cos 2A is 1 minus 2 sin square A. So I should write this as 2 sin square A will be 1 minus cos 2A. So that means one result is 1 minus cos 2A will be 2 sin square A. So we have formula sin 2A is 2 sin A cos A, 1 plus cos 2A is 2 cos square A, 1 minus cos 2A is 2 sin square A. And one formula already we have done, tan 2A is 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. These are very, very important results. And most of the question we will be able to complete by using these results only. Cos 2a, if you don't remember, better will be use 1 plus cos 2a. Cos 2a, if you don't remember, then also you can get the questions by using this. 1 plus cos 2a. Now keep in mind, cos 2a always coming with 1. Sin 2a, we will always use alone. Tan 2a will work as a alone. So cos 2a, whenever you find, you will find 1 will be somewhere there, or if it is not, you will create it and you will get a question very easily. So now we are going on questions, then it will be more clear how to use these important results. First question I am taking now. First question is sin 2x by 1 minus cos 2x. Sin 2x by 1 minus cos 2x. We have to prove this as, this will be cot x. Sin 2x, already formula is there. Sin 2x, if I take the formula left hand side, I am going. It will be 2 sine of x cos of x. 1 minus cos 2x is this formula. 1 minus cos 2x formula says 2 sine square of x. 2 get cancelled out. Sine also get cancelled out. Left is cos by sine. What it will come out to be? It will come out to be cot x. So sin 2x by 1 minus cos 2x. Sin 2x will be 2 sin x cos x. 1 minus cos 2x will be 2 sin square x. Sin x get cancelled out. 2 get cancelled out. Cos by sine will become cot. Another question. If it is 1 plus, then you should prove this as tan of x. Check here. This will come out to be 2 sine x cos of x. Here it come out to be 2 cos square x by x only, because 2x is there, so it will be 2 cos square x. Now when you solve it, 2 get cancelled out, 1 cos get cancelled out, sine by cos come out to be tan of x. So you can have this question easily. Next question, question number 3 now. Question number 3 says 1 plus cos 2x plus sine 2x whole divided by 1 plus sine 2x minus cos 2x. You have to prove this as cot of x. How to get it? I told you 1 always should be with cos. So 1 plus cos 2x. We are starting with left hand side. Then plus of sine 2x is here. Here it will come out to be 1 minus cos 2x and then come out to be sine 2x. Now when you go for 1 plus cos 2x, formula says it will be 2 cos square x. This comes out to be 2 cos x sine x. 1 minus cos 2x will become 2 sine square x plus, then this will be 2 sine of x cos of x. Now when you solve it, what this result comes, just check here. 2 cos x will be common. It will come cos x plus sin x. Here we will take 2 sin x common. Then come out to be sin x plus of cos x. These two get cancelled out. 2 get cancelled out. Your result is coming cot of x. So this way also you can do this question. Now coming on next question, please. This is slightly different question. In this question we have cos 2x by 1 plus sin 2x. We have to bring this result as tan of pi by 4 minus x. Cos 2x by 1 plus sin 2x will be tan of pi by 4 minus x. Now the problem is cos is coming alone and sin is coming with 1. So we want that cos should be with 1 and sine should be alone. So we start with the left hand side. Whatever cos we will try to convert in sine, we have done that. Sine of pi by 2 minus of 2x whole divided by 1 plus, it will be again cos of pi by 2 minus of 2x. We'll write this way. Now it is sine. This will be 2a, we'll call sine 2a. And when we apply the formula, it will be 2 sine half of this, cos half of this. So we will write this as 2 sine. Half of this means it will be pi by 4 minus of x. Half of it will be pi by 4 minus x. This will be cos again. Pi by 4 minus of x. Whole divided by 1 plus cos 2 theta. Here it is. It come out to be 2 cos square pi by 4 minus of x. Now this 2 and 2 cancel out. This cos and cos get cancel out. Now it will come out to be sine pi by 4 minus x by cos pi by 4 minus x. So what it will come out to be? 10 of pi by 4 minus of x. Sine of pi by 4 minus x by cos of pi by 4 minus x, that come out to be 10 of pi by 4 minus x. So left hand side sine pi by 2 minus 2x by 1 plus this. Then sine, this will be 2a form. When it is sine 2a, we'll say 2 sine a cos a, and 1 plus cos 2a formula is 2 cos square a. So it is here. Then cos pi by 4 minus x will cancel out. Sine pi by 4 minus x by cos pi by 4 minus x, that will come 10 pi by 4 minus x. So you can go for this question easily. One more question, if it is cos x by 1 plus sin x, then we should prove this as 10 pi by 4 minus x by 2. Again we should do what it is. Cos should come with 1, sine should be alone. So I write sine of pi by 2 minus x. This will be 1 plus cos of pi by 2 minus x. Sine of this is 2a. What formula comes? 2 sine. Half of this, that will be pi by 4 minus x by 2. Then comes out to be cos pi by 4 minus x by 2. 1 plus cos 2 theta is what? 2 cos square pi by 4 minus x by 2. This cos get cancel out, this 2 get cancel out. Sine by cos come out to be 10 of pi by 4 minus x by 2. So you can get this question this way. Next time we'll continue.